If your injector says yes to everything you ask, fire them immediately. These are the top 5 red flags to look for when picking an injector. Number 1, the injector herself looks way overdone. If their face looks overfilled and frozen, what do you think you're gonna look like? Injectors with good taste on themselves always have the right judgment. Number 2, the prices are way too good to be true. Cheap Botox is not real Botox. Number 3, there's no certifications or licenses on their wall. Walk out if you can't visibly see any of these. Number 4, they say yes to everything you want. A good injector has no problem telling you no. They'll give you their honest opinion, even when it affects your profit, because they have your best interests in mind. They care about results, not profit margins. And number 5, they skip the consultation. No medical history form, no questions about your goals. They just sit you down and start injecting. That's a factory, not a practice. Real injectors do real consults. That 10-minute conversation is what protects you. The injectors who are hungry for money will hurt you. The ones who say no to you when you don't need a treatment is who you need to trust.